right, his left.
All I noticed is that his sear was bumped a little bit on top, but I didn't notice his eye.
No, he opened the other one. He just opened it up. I think I got some wide open eye shots when he first sat down.
Okay.
Because it looked like it was closing a little more.
Oh, he's half asleep. I mean, come on. We could wake him up from his morning nap, you know.
Yeah, we do, and but he grabbed me in the face one day out of the blue and hasn't done it, we never had any problems since, but you know.
But I tried to kind of wing it.
Really?
I couldn't handle it. It's on my to-do list after a better tripod.
Yeah, birds, mice, and actually grasshoppers, big grasshoppers. They like in the fall. They'll eat them.
So how quick? I was gonna say, how quickly does his arm get tired? He's holding up his arm. I think pretty quick.
Yeah, if I stand in his way in the doorway in the morning, he just knocks me down. He just says, "Get out my way."
Wow.
I want to go outside.
Is that right?
Wow.
That's awesome.
There we go.